Hello and welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel From Dust to Shine. In today's video, my husband is going to be giving our patio furniture a makeover using only paint, sandpaper, and an air compressor. We bought our furniture about 7 years ago, but like you can see, they have been damaged by the sun and water. So we have been debating about getting new furniture, but we decided to try to paint our furniture first and see if we like the results, and we are so glad we did. You have to just wait and see the before and after. It is absolutely amazing. We have two of these armchairs that we bought used because we wanted more seating, and they were a different color and sun damaged as well, so we wanted all of the furniture to match. This is the compressor my husband used and the paint gun. This easily could have been done with a spray can as well, but he had the tools to do it this way, and we honestly saved money because we didn't use as much paint. This is the paint color that we chose. I have a picture later in the video with the name and brand of it, so definitely stay tuned so that you can see that later on if you're interested in doing your own. So now he is connecting the hose to the paint gun, and he has already sanded and cleaned the chairs so they are ready to get painted. This is the before. I wanted you guys to see the huge difference. The camera's not really capturing the metallic color in the after, but it is absolutely beautiful. I love the color. My husband decided to not paint the bottom down where the cushions go because nobody's going to see that once I add all the pillows and the cushions. So there's really no point in painting that, and that way we can save a little bit of paint. But tonight I'm letting it go. Spend my coin for sure. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks. I'm gonna make mistakes. One down and 3 armchairs and a love seat to go. Now he is going to use 800 grade sandpaper to prep all of the furniture before he paints. I just wanted to let you guys know that this whole furniture makeover was done with 1 quart of paint, which only cost us $9.99 at Lowe's. So it's super affordable, and the furniture looks like it is brand new once you're all done. Nothing can break me, no, nothing can break me. Look at the beautiful stars, I wanna drive a faster car. Lay my troubles to rest, blow the smoke through my cigarette. City lights looking fine. Okay guys, this is 2 hours later and he is done painting. It looks absolutely amazing, and the best part is that he did it all for $9.99. It absolutely looks like a whole new patio set, and all he did was use a little bit of paint, an air compressor, and sandpaper to make this patio transformation.
Drive a faster car. I'm gonna be myself. I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna be myself. I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna skip my breaks. I'm gonna make mistakes. I'm gonna skip my breaks. I'm gonna make mistakes. I'm gonna be myself. I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna be myself. I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna skip my breaks. I'm gonna make mistakes. I'm gonna skip my breaks. I'm gonna make mistakes. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars.
Okay guys, so this is the final result with the cushions and the pillows. I hope that this video brought you some motivation and inspiration to go and do the same to your furniture if it is in need of some paint. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.